created to make eating on the go as easy as possible no matter where you are or what diet plan you're on. Through a unique design, it fully unfolds into an eating mat. Instead of using plastic for the exterior, we decided to use a textile material. This allowed us to reduce the use of plastic to a minimum and make it modular. Being modular was a must. There are days when you only need a light snack and a bottle of water, no need to carry a big package, roll it up and take what you need with you. Long day ahead? Pack up to 4 meals, and you're set. The carry case/mat is reversible to make the most out of it and add more versatility. Plus, an insulation layer between the faces will keep the goodies inside fresh for longer. There are 2 custom containers created for Foldeat. One square that fits a regular plate of food, a second one with a screw cap and extra insulation for liquids so you would never have to stress again about spilled soup. This lunchbox has it all. Other smartly integrated features are the dips and cutlery holders, a closing clip that also acts as a phone holder, and a thermal gel pack.